for your presentations, assignments, and the likes to make your presentations more catchy and interesting. This is Nick here from ACadeMiqPlus. So we have the data on different months from January to November, and we have the sales of butter in unit from January to November. So we're going to create a pie chart. The first thing to do is to go to the insert button and look above the chart to select pie chart. We have different formats. We have the 2D pie, the 3D pie, the donut, and many others. So let's start with the simple one, the 2D pie. Before we do that, the first thing to do is to highlight the data, then go to the chart, the pie chart, and click on it. It's as simple as ABC. You can see the chart already indicating the different months using different colors and depicting the size of the chart area based on the different sales for the different months. We can change the title of the chart to sales of butter in unit from January to November. So we have our pie chart. We can further make the pie chart to look better. We still go to insert or we click on the chart area to look for other options chart. So this indicates the different months based on the different sales. We can make this to go back by clicking on the back button, and we have our pie chart back. So clicking on the data insert, we can make the 3D pie. We can also change the title. We can give the chart the name 3D chart on sales of butter in unit from January to November. So we have that. Can separate the 3D chart from the 2D chart. So we have our chart in the 3D format and the normal format. We can also have our chart in the pie within pie chart. What this does is that it creates the pie chart within another pie chart. For the second pie chart, the smaller pie chart reflects the last 4 data, which includes from August to November. And this portion of the bigger chart showing the deeper green color highlights the sum of the sales in unit for butter from August to November, which includes August sales of 466 units, September sales of 419 units, October sales of 458 units, and November sales of 439 units. So that's what we have here. We can also change the chart title to a short title, sales of butter in units, pie in pie chart. So for you to include, to have the pie in pie chart, or you to include any parts, maybe March or February, in the second smaller chart, you need to bring the value down, because this second chart, the smaller chart, will only pick the last 4 data from the table. Then we can also have our chart in different designs by just clicking on the design. We can have it in different designs. For example, this design shows the actual percentage of the sales in each month. Also, we can do the same for our 3D chart. It can be in different designs. You can see this design. It shows the 3D and shows the different months with respect to the different color code. Another design here, we have a lovely one here too. We have different designs depending on your choice. So we can make this bigger. So in this particular one, we have the month and the percentage. For June, we have 9%. For November, 9%. For February, we have 9% because the unit sale, the different sales for the different months are quite close. So approximately, most of them are given 9%. For July, we have 8%. For April, we have 10%. So we have the corresponding month and the corresponding percentage for each month. And also, if you look at this chart area, you can decide to change the color. You can give the corresponding month and percentage description the color that you really like, trying to get a beautiful color. Yeah, red. This is fantastic. Makes it so visible. So it makes the corresponding month and the percentage to be very clear. So we have that about the pie chart. Look forward to our next video on how to create that chart. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel, ACadeMiqPlus.